Welcome all. So today's topic is Kal Bhairav Puja or protection. Now this is a topic that has a lot of information collected in itself, because so many of you wanted to know about the Kal Bhairav protection and the Kal Bhairav Puja. Okay, because you have heard that there is something called as Kal Bhairav Puja and protection available. So what exactly it is, I will be explaining this to you today in a very brief manner so that you can understand. Okay, so first of all, Kal Bhairav Puja or protection is definitely there and is available with us also. Now what does this puja or protection does is something we'll be talking about today. So listen, you have to always remember that Kal Bhairav is a fierce avatar of Lord Shiva. Okay, that all of us mostly know that it is a Rudra avatar of Lord Shiva to start with. Okay, which has lot of strength. Okay, and is in a very aggressive form, Kal Bhairav. Okay, and is also the guardian of the Shakti Peeths. All the temples of Shakti Peeths, Kal Bhairav is the guardian of all those temples. This the history says, this our Vedas says. Okay, so when you do the Kal Bhairav protection for yourself, or you take the protection of Kal Bhairav and you do the puja for Kal Bhairav, basically what are you doing? You are removing your sins. You are getting rid of the mishappenings that can happen in your life. Okay, you will be away from the evil effects of the paranormal things around you. Okay, this is the main significance of Kal Bhairav Puja and protection. Now also there is a relevance when we talk about Kal Bhairav as a term. Kal means what? Time. The term Kal also refers to the time that we are actually talking about. Okay, and people, this is something which I have seen, people who waste their time, who are not hardworking, you can never please Kal Bhairav. So even if you have a protection for Kal Bhairav, you will not get results out of it the way you should be getting, because you will never be able to please Kal Bhairav, the energy of Kal Bhairav, because you're lazy, you're wasting time. And the name depicts as Kal Bhairav means when a protector of time, or I would say the proper utilization of time that this avatar does. And if you are not taking care of that characteristic, there is no use to get any puja done, or there is no use to get any protection done for yourself. It would not work for you the way it should. This nobody will tell you, I am telling you. These are few inner secrets. So people who come to us and contact us for Kal Bhairav Puja, this is the first thing we tell them, that are you in a habit of wasting time? Are you a lazy person? Are you not a hardworking person? And if you're thinking that you can achieve things without doing hard work or being lazy, then this is something which is not meant for you. In fact, nothing is meant for you. Okay, in general. So don't waste your time if you want to please Kal Bhairav specifically, because it is a very Rudra energy, an aggressive energy. It can backfire on you as well if this energy is called on your name. Okay, Avahan is done on your name, and then if you're not giving respect to this energy, it can destroy you completely. It can get you into paranormal, I would say, interferences in your life. You start collecting energies which are supernatural when you annoy Kal Bhairav. Okay, and otherwise it is for removing your sins. Otherwise, in a good way, it is taking care of all your mishappenings. Okay, and having blessings on you. And it also contributes to a lot of success in your life and overall comforts. It's an energy full of prosperity if you respect it and if you follow the characteristics of Kal Bhairav puja and protection. The significance. Okay, it also helps you to pacify shadow planets of Rahu, Ketu and Lord Shani also. Okay, so it's a long time thing for your happiness. that you're looking for in your life. Okay, what else? There are some other points also. So dog is one creature which is completely associated with the Lord Kal Bhairav. Okay, so dog lovers who are there, mostly I have seen that Kal Bhairav energy remains with them in a very positive way, because Kal Bhairav is an energy which dog also has. All dogs have, whether it's a street dog, whether your pet dog, feeding dogs, taking care of dogs, helping dogs, giving them medicines, giving them food in the correct, giving them shelter, and having the correct love, affection, and a correct thought process regarding the dogs. Or if you're seeing that somebody is beating, hitting, or is not having a correct, I would say, attitude towards dogs, and if you stop that person, if you rescue that creature in pain, automatically Lord Kal Bhairav's protection, Lord Kal Bhairav's love and affection will start showering on you. Okay, but it has to be done with true heart. It is not that you start telling me that Guru Didi said that Kal Bhairav happiness will come to me once I start feeding dog. It will not happen like this. Okay, it should happen automatically with your love and affection, and then automatically the blessings will start. Okay, on a regular basis. And don't hunt for black dogs. All dogs I'm talking about, because some pundits will tell you feed the black dog. What about the white dog? What about the brown dog? So there's nothing to do with the color specifically. All dogs are the same. All dogs' energies are the same. And you will always feel that whenever you have dog in your house, more than one dog, 2 dogs, 3 dogs, 4 dogs, the number of dogs keep on increasing if possible for you, the more protection from the paranormal things and the supernatural things you will get. They are the ones who will guard you. Anything that is supposed to happen, any attack that's supposed to come to you directly by any evil tantric or by any person who is an evil black magic practitioner, first these creatures will take on themselves. Okay, that does not mean that you start keeping dogs for your protection just because they start taking attacks. This happens automatically, because the moment you think they will start taking things on themselves, and with a selfish motto, you start keeping dogs, it would not work for you. Trust me, it won't work for you. Okay, so people who have opted for Kal Bhairav pujas with us, this has been told to them on a regular basis that this is how the format is. Okay, and I hope people who are looking forward for Kal Bhairav protection, they also hear this video, they also see this video, and following these instructions and removing their laziness and removing the time wastage from their life, only then they can get the maximum benefits out of it. Okay, so I hope this video was for some help to people who want to go ahead with this puja and protection, because the Diwali is approaching and you people have a lot of bookings regarding Kal Bhairav pujas with us. So get in touch with the team and get your bookings done with these instructions to be followed. Okay, so that's about it. Next week I'll see you with another topic. Till then, goodbye.